I'm Kat. I'm an avid gamer. I am a graduate of Full Sail University with a certificate in media communications. Blizzard makes some of the most amazingly crafted games. My favorite being Diablo. It's not just the gameplay though, the stories that come from you guys, just wow. I have good communication skills. I love working in teams and do well in group assignments or community projects. I do well in situations that require multitasking. I have a positive outlook, and I'd love to bring that to the team. We can bring a lot of good energy for the company by working together. I can make people feel comfortable and relaxed around me. I am reliable and can counsel a team easily. I am compassionate, but I don't mess around either. I get things done, and I would like to get things done for you. Five years from now, I'll be just as proactive in my life as I am today, striving for the best, and I also want to keep younger generations as well as older generations interested in gaming. I have strong written and verbal communication. I'm organized and have tons of ideas to bring to the team. I am a gamer of many different types of games and think working in this industry is one of the most exciting jobs I could ever have.